Hey guys, welcome back. Today I really want to do a video that's been requested. I don't know if it's been highly requested, probably not, but it has been requested and it's a video I really want to do. We're doing a what I eat in a day low carb, so let's get started. So for my coffee, I love Nespresso and I love this Malazio. It's the perfect strength of coffee to start my day. I can't do the whole juicing thing first thing in the morning. I really have to start my day with a nice hot cup of coffee. So while this is low carb, it's not no carb, and I like to get my carbs out of the way at the beginning of the day because then you can kind of burn them off as you go throughout your day. And the first thing that I like to have is one piece of bean bread, Romano bean bread. And this is still low in carb. It's 16 grams of carbs for one piece of bread. It's super high in fiber, 6 grams of fiber and 0 grams of sugar. And most typical bread, even 100% whole wheat bread, has around 2 to 3 grams of sugar. So I really like this as an option for breakfast. So I'm really into peanut butter these days, definitely organic. It keeps me really satisfied and full. So I really like to jazz up my breakfast with some added nutrients. So I like to sprinkle on a little bit of hemp hearts, which is super high in protein and magnesium, and it just adds texture. I also like to add just a sprinkle of flax seeds. I also like to put whole black chia seeds, which are a source of omega-3, rich in fiber, and a good source of calcium. But wait, there's more. So cacao nibs are a really good source of magnesium, iron, potassium, and a really good source of fiber. And they add an amazing, amazing crunch. So I just really love it for taste and texture. I love the crunch of the cacao nibs. So satisfying, super delicious, and it's so high in nutrients and fiber that like you cannot feel guilty eating this. I don't often have snacks in the morning, but if I am feeling like I need a snack, again, I will get my carbs out of the way early on in the day. I love BioK because it improves intestinal flora health and it has 50 billion bacteria, and that's good bacteria, again, for flora intestinal health. The only thing that I drink besides my morning coffee is water, 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 water all day. I drink it throughout the day. I drink it with every meal. I try and drink at least 6, 7, maybe 8 glasses a day, full big glasses. And I mean full. For lunch and on, this is when I start to kick in the super low carb. So I'm doing a lettuce sandwich with nitrate and nitrite free turkey. And if I'm really hungry, sometimes I'll make 2 of these. Absolutely delicious. Perfect lunch. It's really good. So the turkey that I eat is reduced sodium, but it is kind of high in sodium, especially with the pickle. So I definitely counteract that with lots of water. So this is the time where I really get hungry, around 3, 4 o'clock, because lots of time has passed since lunch. There's still time before dinner. So I take an orange, which is actually known to be good for weight loss because it's full of water, full of vitamin C. So I like to eat an orange with a handful of Brazil nuts because they're known to be good for your thyroid and your immune system. And I have struggled with my thyroid, so I really love the taste and texture. They're also a source of fiber, magnesium, calcium, iron, potassium, and vitamin E. I always have tomatoes. You will never find this without tomatoes. I cook with tomatoes really often. I love fresh tomatoes. I will always choose fresh over canned. So for dinner, I'm having huevos con tomate, also known as shakshuka. And this is an unbelievably healthy, nutritious, delicious full meal of everything you need: protein, vegetables, fiber, nutrients. And I love this for a low carb meal. It is totally complete. You don't need anything more. If you guys are interested in the recipe for this, I'm happy to do a follow-up video in detail of how I make this. Because I don't really eat a lot of eggs throughout the week, if I am having this for dinner, I will allow myself to have 3 because it's pretty much all the eggs I'm gonna eat for the entire week. Again, full of protein, vegetables, dietary fiber, lots of vitamins. This is a really good low carb, complete meal. Absolutely delicious, if I do say so myself. So good. And since it's low carb, there's no dessert tonight. We're just gonna finish this off with a big glass of water. And that is it. These are things I truly eat, especially when I'm eating low carb. Like, I just cut out the carbs, especially lunch and on. This keeps me satisfied. I feel good, guilt-free, healthy, and happy. Truly. So thank you so much for watching. You guys know I'll be back in a couple days with another really great video. I can't wait to see you.